How much should you actually spend on a large capacity air fryer? Some folks are happy grabbing the budget options, while others swear by the pricier models. But the truth is, price doesn't always mean quality. Let's break down the top 5 options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. First up is the Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. Priced at $179.99, this appliance caught my eye with its 8-in-1 functionality. If you want a versatile kitchen device that can air fry, bake, toast, and more, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ninja features digital crisp control technology, which means it precisely controls temperature and airflow to give you perfectly cooked meals. It's faster than a traditional oven, cooking meals up to 60% quicker and using 75% less fat compared to deep frying. With a large capacity that can fit a 13-inch pizza or up to 6 chicken breasts, it's perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Plus, it takes up 50% less space when you flip it up to store away, which is a huge bonus if you're short on kitchen counter space. With over 29,800 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly popular. Now, some users mention that the knob controls can be a bit tricky to use at first, especially if you're used to digital interfaces. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance is so worth it. This is perfect for you if you love cooking a variety of meals quickly and efficiently. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward air fryer without all the extra functions. For the price, you're getting a lot of features and performance for your money. Now, if that slightly confusing control system bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more user-friendly interface. Product number 2, Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Next up is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, which is priced at $89.99. This caught my attention because of its impressive 4.8-star rating and 20,700 reviews. If you want a powerful air fryer that cooks evenly and quickly, this is a solid option. This means you can go from air frying to baking to broiling without a hitch. Plus, it offers a 6-quart capacity, which is spacious enough for family meals without taking too much counter space. Users love that it cooks with up to 95% less oil, which means you can indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. It's also equipped with a noise reduction feature, operating at less than 53 dB, making it quieter than many competitors. However, some users have noted that the cooking basket can be a bit difficult to clean due to its design. But honestly, the non-stick ceramic coating does help. And for the price, the cooking performance really outweighs this minor cleanup hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, healthy cooking option that doesn't skimp on capacity. Skip this one if you need a more extensive range of cooking functions. At this price point, you're getting fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a simpler cooking experience. Product number 3, Gourmet 7 QT Air Fryer. The Gourmet Air Fryer is next, and it's priced at just $59.99. This caught my eye with its family-size 7-quart capacity and 12 cooking presets. If you want something straightforward to use for everyday meals, this could be the one for you. With 12 one-touch cooking presets, you can whip up everything from wings to fries without having to guess the time or temperature. The intuitive digital LED display makes adjustments easy, so if you're not tech-savvy, this one's a breeze. Plus, its non-stick basket is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. However, some customers mention that the materials feel a bit less durable compared to pricier models. But I'll be real with you, for the price, you're getting a solid air fryer that performs well, and if you treat it with care, it should last. This is perfect for you if you're just starting with air frying or need something user-friendly for family meals. Skip this if you want a high-end, complex machine for gourmet cooking. Honestly, you can't beat the value here. Now, if you're looking for something that combines more functions, let's look at the next product. Product number 4, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Next, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven priced at $158.40. This caught my eye because it's got that classic stainless steel look and can do so much more than just air frying. If you want a multifunctional appliance that looks good in your kitchen, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. This unit features 8 cooking functions, including air fry, toast, and bake. It's spacious enough to fit 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza, making it a great choice for families. With its Air Advantage technology, it circulates hot air effectively, ensuring your food gets crispy without drying out. The adjustable temperature from warm to 450 degrees F and a 60-minute timer give you full control. What's more, it includes an air fry basket and a ceramic nonstick interior, which makes cleaning a breeze. Some users have reported that the interior space could be better optimized for larger meals. But honestly, if you're looking for versatility in cooking, this minor drawback is easily overshadowed by its performance and design. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and multifunctional appliance. Skip this one if you're only looking for a dedicated air fryer. For the features, it's a solid investment for your kitchen. Now transitioning to our final product. If you're looking for something even larger, check out this next air fryer toaster oven combo. Product number 5, Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Finally, we have the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $159.79. This one stands out with its 26-quart capacity and impressive 24 cooking functions. If you're serious about cooking and love to entertain, this might just be the appliance for you. Here's why this matters for you. The Emeril air fryer combines the functions of an air fryer and a multi-cooker, so you can whip up snacks, roast meats, and even bake desserts. The dual-speed fan ensures even cooking, while the stainless steel exterior gives it a polished look. It comes with 7 accessories, which means you're set for just about any cooking task you can think of. However, some users found the size a bit bulky, especially for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a crowd or love hosting, that larger capacity really pays off, making it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you entertain often or need a versatile cooking solution. Skip this if you want something compact for just personal meals. At this price, you get a high-quality, multifunctional appliance that can do it all. So to wrap it up, we started with the Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven for versatility, followed by the Cosori Turbo Blaze for user-friendly performance. Then we looked at the Gourmet for affordability, the Cuisinart for style and functionality, and finally the Emeril Lagasse for large-scale cooking. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your cooking style best.